Everyone, welcome back to Wolf Phone Repairs. Today we are repairing the screen on a Dell Latitude 5500. I've already started this assembly a little bit here, but I just wanted to show you how to do this. So always first have your tools in order. Second of all, I'm going to remove the bottom to disconnect the battery. To do that, you're going to unscrew all the screws on the bottom, and on this model they actually don't come out. They're anchored in there, and you're going to just pry carefully in between the chassis. I've already done it, but you should pry in between the chassis and the bottom case here. That'll come off pretty easily. Set that aside, and then you're going to disconnect the battery here, which is right here. So that you just pull up gently on there, pops right off. Next thing you do is you're going to remove the bezel. You'll see a little seam here. Just gently pry in there and pry away from the LCD back cover. Now there is some adhesive on the inner edge here, but it pulls away pretty easily. Then you just unsnap all the snaps. Same thing at the bottom. Unsnap it, and it pulls right off. Okay, put that aside. Then to remove the LCD, there's 4 screws in the corners that are connected to these back plates that are adhered to the LCD. You'll see in a second. So you unscrew 4 of these. I already unscrewed 2 of them. I'm just going to unscrew those 2. And you'll see I have already removed this side. I'm going to show you how to remove the other side. So you peel back the tape covering the LCD cable here. If you can see, there's a little latch. You unhook that latch and pull the LCD cable back. Remove the LCD, and then to remove these back adhesive plates that allow you to connect it to the laptop, there's this little pull tab here, and you're going to pull gently like this away from the LCD. You want to pull not upwards but more outwards. That helps release the adhesive. Just be careful not to tear it, otherwise it will be hard to remove. It just pulls out like that, blocking it. And there you go. That's garbage. And you can get rid of the old LCD. And you take that back plate, and we're going to connect it to the LCD. It's going to be like that. Okay, so just keep the correct sides. You want to keep the right side because otherwise it won't line up properly. So I already adhered this one. I just put 2 strips of adhesive, double-sided adhesive. Like that. And line it up to the edge of the LCD. Not like that. Okay, there we go. And then we're going to connect the new LCD. Make sure that little latch is back. And you carefully slide the cable into the socket. Snap down the latch. Put the tape back over it. We're going to reattach the LCD. So you just screw in the 4 corners here. Okay, and then we're gonna plug it back in and test it. Reconnect the battery, I mean. Plug the battery back in and let's test it. It's working. Fantastic. So now we can go ahead and remove this protective film. And let's put the bezel back on. Get it set down into the all the way down to the bottom there. Go ahead and carefully snap in all the clips around the side and at the bottom. So once you've tested it, make sure it's working. You can go ahead and put the bottom case back on. And that's it. There you go. Good to go. Thanks for watching.